Today, we're diving into a platform called UltraBook. It's designed to be a kind of mission control for your career, aiming to bring some serious order to what can be a really chaotic process. So let's see how it actually works. Okay, if you're a student, I'm guessing this feels pretty familiar, right? Trying to find the right internship can honestly feel like you're stuck in a maze with no map. You're just wondering, where do I even start? Yeah, it's a total juggling act. You're trying to manage applications, keep track of who you've talked to, and on top of all that, actually prove you have the skills for the job. It gets overwhelming fast, and you just know things are going to fall through the cracks. But what if you could swap all that chaos for clarity? What if you had one single command center for your entire career launch? Well, that's exactly where UltraBook comes in. It wants to be your career's mission control. And here it is. This is what that mission control looks like. The main dashboard pulls everything together into one spot. So instead of scattered info, you've got it all right at your fingertips. Your daily skill building exercises, internship opportunities, even tools to work with your team. It's all here. But the real magic here is that it creates a whole ecosystem. For you, the student, it's a launchpad. For employers, it's a direct pipeline to find talent. And for colleges, it's a way to see how their students are actually doing in the real world. It connects all the dots. But look, this isn't just about applying for roles. The real goal is to make you a stronger candidate from the get-go. Let's check out how it builds skill development right into the whole experience. And this is where it gets really cool. UltraBook gives you a whole library of free courses in some of the hottest fields out there right now. We're talking AI, data science, Internet of Things, you name it. So it's not just about finding a job, it's about building the skills that employers are desperate for without having to pay for it. And it's not only about these big courses, it's also about building tiny daily habits. This daily voice sprint is a perfect example. It's a small, totally manageable task that helps you consistently improve your communication skills day after day. So, how do you stay motivated to do this every day? Well, they've gamified it. You can track your activity streaks, which really helps build those consistent habits. And you can even see how you stack up against your peers at your college, in your country, and even globally. A little friendly competition can be a really powerful push. And when you stick with it, what happens? You end up here. Hitting that #1 spot isn't just about bragging rights. It's a powerful signal to employers. It's a real, quantifiable metric that proves you're driven, you're dedicated, and you can commit to a goal. Okay, so you're building skills, you're being consistent. Now what about the actual job hunt? Well, the platform takes all that activity and plugs it into a pretty powerful tracking system. So you can basically say goodbye to that messy spreadsheet or all those sticky notes on your monitor. What you get instead is this clean, visual pipeline for every single opportunity, whether it's an internship or a full-time job. You can see the status of everything at a glance, so nothing ever gets lost. And here's the best part. Every single application follows the same super clear path, from the second you apply to getting shortlisted to the interview and finally getting selected. This whole structure takes the guesswork and anxiety out of the process because you always know exactly where you stand. And get this, the support doesn't stop once you actually land the job. As soon as an internship is marked as ongoing, the platform becomes your tool for managing it. You can check your progress, track your status, and see all the tasks your employer assigns you, all in that same dashboard. All right, so all of this, the skills you're building, the progress you're tracking, the experience you're getting, it's all leading up to one final really crucial thing, creating a professional identity that's totally credible and provable. This is called the Doc Vault. Every official document, from your offer letter to your final completion certificate, is stored securely right here. Think of it like your digital filing cabinet for your entire career, always there when you need it. At the end of the day, this becomes your single source of truth for all your professional documents. You can view them, download them, and manage everything right here. It just centralizes all your proof of work and makes it super easy to grab. So, you've done the courses, you've aced the daily tasks, you've tracked all your applications, and you've stored all your certificates. Every single thing you've done on the platform is being funneled into creating one single source of truth about your career journey. And this is what it all builds to, your public profile. This is essentially a living, breathing resume. It sums up your education, it details your verified internships, and it shows off your certificates. You can just share one single link with employers, and they get a credible, complete picture of who you are and what you've done. Which brings us to the big question, right? By rolling skill building, application management, and verified proof all into one platform. Could this be the new blueprint for how we build careers? It's a system designed not just to help you find a job, but to help you prove you're the right person for it. You have to wonder, is this going to become the new standard?